Hey sis, I want to invite you to my upcoming Hit Your Courageous Goals and Take Action workshop. Now, listen, this is not your typical, set smart goals and crush them workshop. Yes, that is necessarily your goals. Definitely, you got to be smart, realistic, and achievable and attainable, all those different things, right? But if we're honest with ourselves, you probably know what it is that you need to do. But because you spent your time, Googling on YouTube University, Google University, all those different things, trying to piecemeal your way to success. Like you've purchased all the coaching programs, you've opted in, downloaded freebie after freebie, all these different things, right? Trying to put it together, trying to make it work. You probably actually are sitting on the $1 million blueprint. You're all probably also over there podcasting, you're blogging daily, you're posting daily, right? You're doing videos, you're creating freebies, trying to put yourself out there to be more visible and attract your ideal clients. You're doing all this stuff and all these things, but all it's doing is keeping you busy and broke. So this is where I come in at. I want to help you change the game and really position yourself to hit your courageous goals. Those goals that if you hit them, not only will it change your life, it's going to impact the lives of so many, right? The reason why you are doing all this in the first place, because at the end of the day, it's bigger than the money, right? The money is a byproduct of what it is that you do, what you receive as you live out your courageous goals and your dreams, and as you begin to hit them and be able to serve other people, right? And help them achieve their goals. You're going to impact so many lives. The lives of so many. So you're probably doing all the things and you're still not having the desired results. And if that's you, sis, listen, because the missing piece is you. And this is where I come in at to help you get out of your own way. You're going to walk away from this workshop with so much clarity on what your next step is, knowing exactly what it is that you should be focusing on so you can ditch the busy work, right? And go from being, like I said, broke and busy to actually being, successful in your business and positioning yourself to create long-term success, knowing exactly what it is that you need to do to be able to leverage your time, your energy, and where to, leverage your expertise, not only just your expertise, but also the expertise of others, and really identify what's really holding you back. So this is where the work comes in at. This is where it takes courage, right? It takes courage to admit that you're pussyfooting around your goals and your dreams, right? That you're not really showing up, that you're playing small. You have to be honest with yourself about what's really holding you back. Is it the fear of success? Is it the fear of failure? All these different things, right, that get in the way from where you are to and where it is that you want to be. So if any of this is resonating with you and you have not taken action yet, sis, what are you waiting on? Let's go, take action, register, put your name and your email address below, and you're going to receive the details for my upcoming workshop. So you can, in this madness, right? What is your sick and tired of being sick and tired? So I hope you are at that point. And if you're at that point, that's where I come in at, really to help you, really to, break through to your next level and to hit those goals. So go ahead and get registered, and I will see you inside of the workshop.